Taian Hiscience Machinery Co Limited is professional supplier of automobile repair equipment and is comprehensive modern enterprise with research and development, exportation, overseas service. We are originator of diamond-cut alloy wheel repair lathe machine and other wheel repair equipment. To cater to the comprehensive needs of the market and committed to providing customers with one-stop customized services, we have also combined rim straightening machine, sand blasting machine, tire changer, wheel balancer, wheel polishing machine, etc., and all machines have passed CE certificates. The company has concentrated the excellent technical team, focusing on the research and development of automobile repair equipment, continue to provide customers with the latest product technology. After years of market development, our machines were exported to Europe, America, Australia, Southeast Asia, UK, and other 100 countries, and established sales agents in many countries. Now we are also looking for agents in various countries. The company adhered to the 6 corporate values of integrity, altruism, passion, dedication, collaboration, and growth to provide machine and service to the world. Your satisfaction is our ambition. The professional sales and service team provides you with worry-free pre-sales and after-sales service. From purchase to receipt, we can offer safe transaction mode. Overseas service is available to you if you request. With high morale and pragmatic style, we are marching towards a higher goal and would like to cooperate sincerely with friends from all over the world for common development.
Welcome to our company.
Welcome to HIENCE.